kasama ko yung kapatid ko, ang sister ko, Sophia. Sophia, say hello. Say hello. Hello, guys. Now, gagawa na naman kami ng panibagong video na mag-unbox kami ng mystery box from Lazada. Unbox kami ng mystery box from Lazada. And then, next natin is mystery box from Lazada. Pero bago natin to buksan, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So, yan guys. In-order namin to noong August 16. And then, dumating sa amin to kahapon, which is August 17. And it says, mystery box gadget and get a chance to win cool prizes including brand new iPad Pro. Well, this mystery box from Lazada is sponsored by, #sponsored by my mom. Ito yun, guys. So, yan, guys. Let's start to open this mystery box from Lazada. Hirap buksan. Kasi nakatape ng sobrang higpit. So, yan. Buksan na natin. Well, check ko lang. Nahilig talaga ako magbukas ng mga boxes. Katulad nitong mga ganito. Mga box. Tingnan natin kung anong laman nito. Wow. So, yes. Ang una ko nakita, this paper na nakasulat is, please take time to review our products and get a chance to win cool prizes, including Huawei Nova 3-1 and around 3 ticket to Boracay. And the first thing na nandito sa mystery box is this USB light. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito ginagamit, pero please comment down below kung saan ito ginagamit, guys. Then, the next thing we have here is cable protector. Ayos yan. Cable protector. Hindi ko rin alam to kung saan ginagamit, guys. And the next thing na nandito is this cord na ginagamit na pang charge sa mga phones and other gadgets. Next thing is this folding stand, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman nitong folding stand na to. This is multi-angle adjustable. Ayan, guys. Ganyan yata yun. Ganyan yata yun. This one. Or nakaganyan. So, ang next naman is this universal clip lens. Napakita ko rin sa inyo kung anong laman nito. Guys, ginagamit yata to, nilalagay yata to sa mga cameras, like sa cellphone mo. Yun silang this things. And this, ito yata yung pantakip sa lens. And this lens, guys, here, kung nakikita nyo. And ito yung nilalagay mismo sa lens. So, yan, guys. And the next thing na nandito is magical soccer mobile phone stand. So, kanina meron na tayong first stand. So, meron pa tayong second stand. Dito. This is color pink, guys. Color pink. Pwede siyang i-adjust na ganyan. Pwede i-adjust na ganyan. Pwede kahit saan angle niya siya. Yan, no? Kasi stretchable na naman siya. So, So, yan guys. And the next thing dito, last thing na dito is this game pad. Papakita ko sa inyo anong laman itong game pad box. Guys, hindi ko alam paano buksan ito. This gamepad. Ito yung mga nilalagay. Dito man nilalagay yung mga yung phone na ginagamit ko kung maglalaro naman kayo ng mga games. So, yan guys. Sulit naman to for 400 pesos na itong mystery box na to. So, yan guys, hindi naman ako na-disappoint sa nakuha ko kasi lahat naman to useful. Kasi yung ibang vlogger napapanood ko sa mga vlog nila is nadi-disappoint sila pag nakakakuha sila ng mystery boxes, yung mga ino-order nila. Yung iba kasi nadi-disappoint sila. Yung iba rin naman is natutuwa sila dahil mga sulit yung mga nakuha nila worth. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a big huge thumbs up. Yes. Give a big huge thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. So see you guys next time. Bye.